Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you're here. And I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving with your families and friends, because you know this year has been one hell of a year. So we can give thanks for being alive and having our loved ones next to us or even far away, but just having them amongst the living, you know. But if you want to see how I got this look, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
So guys, today, guess what we're reviewing? Another hairband unit. And this is an Amazon company. It's called Wenyu of Long Yao. This is my second time working with this company, and it came in this box, and it's in 18 inches, and it's a curly Brazilian human hair. I'm just reading the specs of Amazon. So it's a curly Brazilian virgin hair in color natural black, and it has, yeah, it's 18 inches, and it came in that box. And for cap construction, it says like average 22 to 25.5. So for big hair people, honey, it'll fit you, but it might be squeezing your skull. It might be squeezing your brain out, but you can make it work. You definitely can make it work. So this is what she looks like. Look at that. We love inches. 18 inches. Yeah. But it comes with like the regular cap. Oh, this one has 3 combs. It has like 2 combs on the side and a comb in the front and a comb in the back. And this one doesn't come with adjustable straps, but it has the Velcro, so which is not bad. And you definitely want to wash this unit before you put it on. I don't know why I always do that. I think I know why. It's procrastination. You know, your girl work too much, so when I come home, I just be tired. But it has a funny smell. Once I'm done recording, I'm definitely gonna wash her before I even put it back on. But yeah, she is nice. I just love this. I'm pretty sure this is like, I don't know what kind of curl pattern this is, and it doesn't say on the Amazon stuff. I would say this is, well, I guess, is it Brazilian curls? I don't know. Tell me, what curls do you think this is? Because it's definitely, it doesn't look like water wave. It's too tight to be water wave. Maybe it could be water wave. I don't know. But yeah. So for Amazon, for 18 inches, this is $79. After tax and stuff, you'll be paying close to maybe $85. So, which is not bad. It's not bad, but yeah, this is what you got. But I'm gonna put her on and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, so this is what this hair looks like. Oh my gosh, I think this is water wave. I'm pretty sure it's water wave. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but the thing is water wave. Look at them curls, like, and inches, like. Oh, honey, she's shedding. Yeah, she's definitely shedding. Oh yeah, she's a shedder. Yeah, like just rubbing my finger to it, she's shedding. And the cap fits really nice and snug. You know, usually my other hairbands, I don't know, it's like, it used to be a little tight, but this one feels really comfortable and whatnot. Okay. But yeah, I love it. Like, am I gonna fluff her out? I think so. I think I'm gonna fluff her out. Like I just, you know, one of my tell sign when I like her hair, my hands can't get. I can't stop touching it. I just can't stop touching it. But I love this. Like, do you see that? Let me turn around so you can see. Like, do you see that? Yes, honey, yes. Like, she is looking nice. So it came with these two headbands, and you know what time it is. We about to try some headbands on.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. No.
Okay, guys. So, what do you think about this curly hairband unit? As for me, you already know I love it, and you know, this is cute. This is cute. I think I found my Thanksgiving hair that I'm gonna wear to dinner. You know, I hate when I have hair on. But yeah, so let me know what you think. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Love Your Crownz. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.